Hola amigos, welcome back to Natal, Brazil. On this episode we explore more of the Jenipabu dunes as well as Pedra da Boca and a little bit more of Natal, Brazil.
Yay, more amazing energy from that primordial ocean place. Very paradisiac. We continue to discover and fall in love with the place. I kinda felt my divine expression here. It's been a long time I wanted to do braids. This happened here. I feel like that place is my sun and my Mars cross here in the zone, so I feel I connected to my divine expression mostly and was pretty much manifesting it in the way I dressed and how I did my hair. And oh, that was such a nice house. When we were checking houses, I said like, Javier, come on, let me do it. So I just felt this is the house, and when they came over, like, oh my god, this is the house. That was so cute, the colors, everything. And it was on a river, on the bank of a river that meets the ocean, that also swam in the river, that had a strong flow, but the house itself was super cute and very immersive. We did a photo shoot there. And yes, we came precisely with the intention to shoot something I've been envisioning through staying in Natal, because since I was there, I began entering a certain state of a dream trance. It felt like I'm emerging into a dream that's of my inner world, and it was something so creatively inspiring. And then we went to Jenipabu to shoot that vision. We chose some kind of dress, and then we went to the dunes to shoot this sensorial, immersive sound journey, Blue Dream, that I invite you to discover. Check the link under the video. That's a very special new concept for me in my work as musician and singer and artist, creating spaces that are born from my channel, from my vision, and with the purpose of completely rewriting your perception, how it can be that you can dream your reality, you can create your reality. So stepping into the original origin of creator when you dream your reality and you vibrate in a different way. So these are like such sensorial, immersive sound journeys for different experience. To dream is one of them. Enjoy.
This is your kind of dream that you enter and remember how to create your reality. The colors, the images, the tastes, the smells, the characters, the places. You are the creator.
Now we've met up with our friends Jose and Isabella again. They've proposed to take us to this magical place they love to go kind of every month. We have no idea, but we trust them entirely. So here's another unknown adventure into the uncertain wonders of Brazil. They end up taking us to this prehistoric looking place called Pedra da Boca. It's pretty much rock with a mouth rock, but it completely reminds me of some Jurassic Park landscape.
You will not see anything like that anywhere. You'll just vas a flipar, tío. Es que you'll just gonna be like, fuck. Like the video doesn't even reflect. I mean, you have to see it. First of all, it's completely a reserve, so there are few people. There is no touristic craziness around it. But it's so ancient. It feels like irreal. I haven't seen such nature anywhere. I mean, like it's so primordial, like really Jurassic, as they say, but it's like powerful and definitely cleansing in many ways.
Very ancient landscapes that remind you how powerful Earth can be, that this has been around forever and still holds strong energy around it.
It's very beautiful. If you ever come to Brazil, you just definitely should visit it. It's, I don't know, I don't have words how to describe it. It's very unusual and mesmerizing.
Yeah, let's show you more with some drone footage.
About Brazil for now has been so phantasmagoric. How do you say that? Like from some picture, like from some illustration. So interesting, so unusual, contrasty, and the nature is amazing.
It's its own dream. We'll try to share a bit more of it as we connect more and film more. So let's see what we get into here. I hope you enjoyed some of these other beautiful places around Natal in Brazil. I hope you're very much more interested in exploring some of these landscapes and beaches. Very powerful places that I felt were pretty transformative for us. On the next episode in Natal, we visit an indigenous community and see how they live and hold up the ecosystem around them, as well as finish our time in Natal before going further down in Brazil. Stay tuned for the next episode. Check out the Brazil drone film.
And listen to Canto del Dragón and Sealskin music.
A lot of new music from Margo that has been inspired from these places, so enjoy it all.
Yeah.
We'll catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.
Bye bye.